Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Are you looking for the kitchen design ideas of Chinese style? You are at the right place, cause in this video I am gonna show you the beautiful Chinese kitchen interior decor ideas that will really inspire you. Please watch this video complete. After watching, provide your opinions, your suggestions and your comments in the comment box. We will wait for your feedback. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors. Here I am showing you the beautiful Chinese kitchen design ideas of latest collection 2020. It is often said that the kitchen is the heart of the home interior, and because of that, you want it to look as beautiful as possible. But with so many routes to take when it comes to decorating your kitchen interior, it can sometimes be hard to make any decision. To help you get started with your kitchen renovation, we suggest you checking out some of these amazing, beautiful, latest, stylish, stunning, and modern Chinese kitchen ideas. Contemporary spaces offer a sleek design, so your kitchen will never go out of style. But don't think that means it will be cold or sterile. Modern design encourages pops of color, trendy stools, and funky light fixtures that add warmth and whimsy. Whether you have got a small kitchen or an airy and open space, you will find a contemporary, the beautiful, the stunning kitchen idea that you will want to replicate. So please watch this video complete. Here you will find the beautiful kitchen decor ideas that will really inspire you. Do not skip this video. Don't skip any design. Watch this video till the end. After watching, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends, family and fellows. Now it's time to say goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Remember me in your precious prayers. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much, guys.